One of my regrets as Assistant Secretary was that I didn't push hard enough for us to recognize Somaliland. I think we should have. And our policy was to not get ahead of the African Union, but when I pushed for that policy, it was because I thought that the African Union was there, and they were there. Something changed, and I can't explain exactly what changed, but if I had it to do again, and I know that it's very risky, it would be a very risky move, and it could lead to the instability that Dr. Corville is talking about, but if I had it to do again, I would push harder for Somaliland's recognition.
And that is Somaliland, which is a de facto independent area from Somalia. I would like to hear comments from both state and USAID as to how to better recognize Somaliland in the global community with an eye towards building sustainable peace. Again, I thank you for this hearing and yield back to my good friend, the balance of my time.
nabadaad haysatiyo xisab lagu soo hirtiyo samiin coodayntiyo xanaanka dimuqraadiga horyaalkeegii baa tahay waa lagu hawaye Somaliland nabadaad haysatiyo xisab lagu soo hirtiyo samiin coodayntiyo xanaanka dimuqraadiga horyaalkeegii baa tahay hamigii midnimadana adoo horay u raadsho qarannimo hayaasho uhurasadkaago hormoodkeegii baa tahay hamigii midnimadana adoo horay u raadsho qarannimo hayaasho uhurasadkaago hormoodkeegii baa tahay